Welcome to Rescue Sim. This video walks you through the entire BMW i3 training module. This module focuses on electric vehicle identification and deactivation, specifically the BMW i3. To access this module you need to log in. If you don't have an account you can register by selecting Register from the menu at the top. This is completely free and no payment details are required. Once you are logged in, select the BMW i3 training module from the main home screen. You can return to this screen at any time by selecting the Rescue Sim logo at the top left of the screen. When the scenario opens you have three options. Training mode provides full training and guides you through each step. Assessment mode. This mode tests and assesses your understanding of the training subject or scenario. Trainer mode allows a trainer to place items freely for training sessions. For this video we will be undertaking the training mode. This training module requires you to inspect and engage the scene first. This provides valuable information regarding the situation you are dealing with. Your info pad on the left lists the items you need to complete. These are in red. First we select the Inspect Area tool from our toolkit. We then inspect the cabin to identify if this is a left or right-hand drive vehicle. This is important as the location of the front compartment release is located on the driver's side. We then change views using the view options at the top. This enables us to find the badge on the rear of the car and identify the vehicle type. You can also identify the vehicle from the front and confirm this is an EV vehicle by the side charge port. It is worth noting that the i3 comes in two variants, fully electric, and a range extender version featuring a two-cylinder engine from which serves as a generator for the battery. During all these inspections, messages will appear in the message window at the bottom of the screen providing valuable insights and information. If at any point you are unsure what the next step is, select the Hint button. This will show you your next recommended step. Once we have completed the inspect and engage items we are ready to perform the necessary steps to make the car safe. On the info pad you can see we have completed 2 out of 15 or less steps. The first step is to prevent the car from moving forwards or backwards. We do this by placing wedges in front and behind the wheel. The next step is to press the parking brake button to ensure the vehicle cannot suddenly move on its own. We then ensure the car is placed into park, and then push the start, stop button to isolate the engine. We can now remove the key to ensure the vehicle is deactivated. We are now ready to open the driver's side door to access the bonnet, hood, release levers. This will give us access to the high voltage disconnect switch and 12-volt battery. We are now ready to open the frunk to disable the electrics. We press the button located in the door jamb as indicated on the cutout diagram. We now switch views to the front of the vehicle where we need to remove the cover which hides and protects the electronic fuses and plugs by using the Move, Open, Remove tool. Once removed you will be able to identify the high voltage service switch. We then select the Move, Open, Remove tool to disconnect the HV switch. Finally, we need to disconnect the 12-volt battery. This is located at the front of the vehicle. You have now completed the training module. Well done. You will now be directed to your profile where this module will be recorded in your training log. This was one of the many training modules designed for you to experience specific training subjects. Visit www.rescue-sim.com to try this and more modules for yourself.